So William, what are we doing today?
Two dweebs finally see the sun. Humor. So I guess we replaced Harry, right?
Yeah, this is Terry. Don't have sex with it, please. Okay, so I need you to get a shot of my face, right?
Uh-huh.
And then you have to zoom down to my crotch.
Uh-huh.
Is that good?
Uh-huh.
Is that a good clip? So William, we're outside. Beautiful day here in Canada.
Canada?
Yeah, Canada.
So, what are we doing? You said Subway or freaking Tim Hortons?
You're actually bad at this.
I know.
We're going to Subway or Tim Hortons. We don't know yet. Why'd you pick that up? Okay.
Better than you.
Shit. So we finally decided to go to Subway. You guys like Subway? Subway's great. You could eat fresh, think fresh, eat pussy fresh. Subway has a lot to offer, including
Fresh snow.
But Subway offers the freshest, I don't know if that's a word, but they offer the freshest sandwiches, and that's why we're going there, right, William? Good. That's funny. That's going in the montage. I'm rich. What the fuck is that?
This is where we're not going.
Cherry, vanilla, or...
I took vanilla.
Suck.
Now we got that vaporwave angle. Wait, no, before you put a cap, is it good? Quality check.
It's good. MLG life.
So we are done here. Do I point it right?
A little bit more up. What you're gonna do is jump, and then say some really gay shit. I don't know. Do it.
I'm a brony.
No. Maybe if we get like 69 likes, we'll come back here. What the fuck is he doing there? Is 69 likes okay? All right.
What?
You gotta wear your sunglasses, dude.
Not true. Ah. That post is so bright. Yes.
Where are we going?
We're going to Jankutu?
John Kudu?
Junk.
John Hoodoo?
No, it's called.
Okay, William, let's make a really cute moment. Let's throw it at the same time. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Beautiful couple. William's a crazy man. So we bought Jolly Ranchers.
Because what are we?
Jolly?
And as Canadians?
No, we're not ranchers. Please stop. William, what are you doing? What? Why are you going up there? This man has climbed Mount Everest.
I need to go down now, but I'm wearing shoes. It's extremely slippery.
Yeah.
But I see a way there.
Hold on. Yeah.
I'm here.
You should have said I'm gay. Can we do that shot again? No, I didn't mean that seriously, William. Come back. So we're heading towards the park to go back home. That's probably a dead body, a dead animal. William, don't approach it. William. Who ordered that chicken? Get it? Because it was a St. Hubert car?
St. Hubert is not a joke anymore.
What do you mean it's not a joke
Got
anymore?
fucking bought by Ontario. I'm pissed.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. I'm hurt.
I'm sorry, Hurt. I'm
Mike.
bad.